I really like science, but I also want to make sure that eventually the things that I work on have some relevance in the real world.
We shouldn't be afraid of being first movers.
A simple description of this project is that we use multiple drones to secure a power plant. Drones can automatically survey the area, catch problems that are out there, spot broken fences or even safety issues like spilled chemicals and so on.
Every hour they can take a fly around and report back to our control center. It would help to gain data collection and also quality.
We are trying to make the drones think for themselves, so you don't have to control the drones to get video of different places.
In the beginning, the employees, they're a little bit afraid, but they start also to gain ideas. That's quite fun to look at.
The partners in the project involve two universities, Southern Denmark University and Aalborg University. We focus on scientific issues. And then the commercial partners, Ørsted and HOFOR, they're both critical infrastructure companies. Then we have Robotto. They look for using drones in real-world situations.
We could inspire each other. They could get out here in a full-scale test laboratory and try it out, and we could also get inspired by them to solve an issue or a problem.
As soon as I come out here and speak to the people who work in the field, then they come up with a ton of ideas and different things that the drones potentially could do.
So I think the reward for working on this kind of a project is that it does have real-world implications. It also helped to readjust some of the priorities that we thought we understood.
We need each other. We have the issues, they might have the ideas, and together we can bring it into operation.
AI is really three different things in this project. We do use some of the same technologies as ChatGPT to understand what the user wants. Once we understood that, we use a different type of AI to plan what the drone should do. And then we also have some AI in the drones so that they can fly safely. All the different bits and pieces are already there in terms of AI, in terms of hardware. We need to put them together and make sure they can perform the tasks that people they need outside in the real world.
Projects like PERSIST are helpful for Denmark because we can then build competences from within Denmark. There is a push to have sovereign technologies. This is a step in that direction.
We could spread it out to the rest of the world.
We all want to do things that make the world a better place. I think the drones have a huge potential to take on so many different tasks. They can help to make Denmark a more competitive and a safer place.